and you will boost your metabolism for 2.5 hours after you've done that.
It's Channel Mom with Jenny Dean Schmidt. We're here for you.
I'm Tom Walker with American Family Insurance. If you have questions about insurance or other services we provide, I want to help. You're always welcome to contact me or simply stop by my office so we can get to know each other. Thanks for visiting and have a great day.
Call Tom at Tom Walker Agency, your American Star certified agency. Excellence in customer experience at TomWalkerInsurance.com.
What do you see? What area do you see moms failing themselves in when it comes? Because you're a mommy, you have 2 kids, and you're like me. You waited a while to have your babies till you were a little bit older. What do you see in the moms that you know in their lives where they're failing themselves health wise?
I just see the easy route. So in terms from a diet standpoint, moms, they're tired, and so. They're frustrated with the children being able to eat healthy, don't think things taste good, those types of things. So they give up and they go for, the packaged, mac and cheese or whatever you're doing. If you're inside the perimeter of the grocery store, you're buying packaged foods. And so that's just trickling, and it's adding or compounding to what Dr. Lindy's just saying so now you're influencing your diet with poor diets, poor choices, and you're just compounding the problem of either your adrenals or your stress. I mean, they all pile on, and there's no success for fighting cancer, fighting any kind of disease that your body might have.
Yeah. And I want to have some simple solutions for moms today because I can't give them 10 hard solutions.
Nope.
So I want to say one thing. I give a shout out to my friend, Julie Hammerstein, who you know. I love that she says small change, big impact. She says, okay, maybe you are a mom who's overwhelmed. Maybe you are going through McDonald's too often. I want you to make one change today, and it's going to last for a month, and then you'll make another change. So I challenge every mom that finds herself in that place to maybe just add an apple a day to your kid's diet. That's a place to change.
Do you have 10 minutes? Because you could do 8 minutes of Tabata or interval training on an elliptical or just squats.
Yeah.
And you will boost your metabolism for 2.5 hours after you've done that.
So 10 minutes and not an hour and a half workout.
Yeah. So I do that twice a day. So my takeaway tip is if you are struggling with weight loss, there is a way to do weight loss healthy. So, if you have children that you feel are, gaining weight as well, we can help them with losing weight healthy. And I will post on Jenny's website a healthy cookie. It's a chocolate chip cookie. And you guys can make that. There's no sugar in it, and I'll send you that recipe.
Awesome. And that could be a fallback. So they could say, I don't have to cut out things that taste good because Anne-Marie gave me this. So we will post that on channelmom.com. We'll probably also post it on facebook.com/channelmom. So Anne-Marie will post that for us this week, and you guys can come get it.